Hello there. Well, it's time to change the board. It actually lasted a good time. I really like it. I definitely recommend. Some people say that the primitive boards don't last that long, but to me, I've had plenty. Like I have 5 of them, and they all work fine. I really like the pop. So that being said, let's do an unboxing. I actually have 2 more primitive decks here. I'm really looking forward to open them. Big shout out for the people that watch my videos. Chris France, if you haven't subscribed to his channel, do so. And First Person Skater, he also has cool stuff there. Thanks for watching and subscribe to their channels. Well, let's start with the first one. Grizzly grip tape. Woo! Brian Peacock blue foil, really good. I have been waiting about 2 weeks to open it, and Diego Nakara just won Battle of the Barracks with this board, so I'm pretty psyched to ride it. They're like a barracks cap, pretty cool. Let's open this one. Yes, signed by all the primitive members. There were only 60 out of this. Pretty cool. Signed by all of them. Primitive United Nations. Pretty excited. Paul Rodriguez, Diego Nájera, Callaway, Shane O'Neill, Trent McClune, Carlos Ribeiro, and Nick Tucker. Really cool. Well, I hope you like my unboxing. See you guys next time.